Embeds are a fantastic way to bring other tool experiences inside of Nifty for a consolidated workflow. You might bring in a Miro mind map that shows the shape of your marketing campaign, or an Envision prototype, or maybe a YouTube onboarding video. Let's take that last example, a YouTube onboarding video, and see all the different places we can embed that throughout a Nifty project, starting with a task. So we have an onboarding milestone here, and let's check out the task onboarding video that we've created, and we'll eventually go on and assign this to our guest once they've joined the project. So now let's jump over to YouTube. We actually have our own onboarding video, how to use Nifty as a guest. Feel free to use this for your client onboarding. It's why that's here. Hey, I know that guy. All right, cool. So let's grab the share link here with that share button. And we're going to do copy. Make sure we head to our clipboard and then jump back over to Nifty. And we're going to go to the attachments area and click on that plus and we'll see embed. So we're going to use that embed feature. And that's asking for that URL. So we're going to place that share URL and all of a sudden that video is right here inside the task. That way the guest knows they can come right in, watch it, and complete it really simply. So this is just one area we can embed a task. Let's check out the ability to embed a task inside of a document. Inside of Nifty Docs, maybe we have a Getting Started doc where we're going to use the embed feature here. Works the same way where we're going to drop the URL and see that video appear. But lastly, and perhaps most impressively, is the ability to add an entire custom view to your project. And when we click on this, we'll see an array of options. These are not the only tools you can embed inside of Nifty. These are just some examples and maybe some helpful tips on how to embed these specific experiences. So if you go through all these different types of kind of classifications and you don't find what you're looking for, feel free to give it a try on your own with this custom embed right here. And if it doesn't work, please let us know so we can reach out to that company and see if they'll let us embed their tool inside of our experience. So in this case, I'm just going to call it onboarding video. And let's drop that link right in here. And now we can see that video embedded as an entire module in the project.